lack of affordable financing. These are some of the critical issues that came up. The only that to implement. A 4K clubs or website has also been developed in support of the members and school institutions being awarded nationally.
Nikubalie nimwalike CAS wetu Madam Anne Nyaga ili
the young farmers clubs so that we can be able to take a child through and be able to talk to the modern day child. Your Excellency, as we remodel, our focus will be to be able to mold the character. And I must thank you, Your Excellency, for donning your regalia today and setting the Cabinet Secretary who is deputizing as the Deputy Patron have his own regalia to the country and then subsequently give them financing to